what you're looking at here is a bird has come to visit my son, because when this bird was little, she made her mother made the nest right over there. But you know, the parents, I don't know what happened to them. They left this guy, you know, abandoned, unattended. So we took some time to care for it. We gave, you know, this bird some worms and all. At first, he didn't know even how to, you know, pick for himself. He didn't even know how to, you know, eat the food from its beak. So we had to teach them in a different way, in a creative way. So I guess this he just knows what this house is all about. I think he hasn't forgotten, you know, like women, like humans do. You know, these animals are the purest soul, and animals and children are the purest soul in the world. So just look at this beautiful, beautiful uh, bird, whose name I don't know. Which species does this bird come under? That I have no idea. Okay, so my son has just, you know, spooked the bird, and she or he took off. Okay, bye.